Do you want your own all-in-one Discord bot like this? This bot has moderation commands, utility tools, fun commands, logs, and even an AI chatbot. And the best part is anyone can create their own bot using this dashboard. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up in under a few minutes. First, download the source code from a website. The link is in the description. Step 1, extract the project. Once the download is finished, open File Explorer. You'll see the zip file you downloaded, right-click it, and click Extract All. After extracting, open the new folder that was created. Step 2, open the project. Now open VS Code. Click Open Folder and select the folder you just extracted. Once the project loads in VS Code, we need to install the dependencies. Open the terminal inside VS Code. Now type npm install. This command installs all the packages required for the dashboard and bot to run. Wait until the installation finishes. Step 3, start the dashboard. After everything is installed, start the project. Type npm run dev. Then run npx vite. This starts both the backend and frontend locally on your computer. Now open your browser and go to https://localhost:5173. You should now see the Control Center dashboard UI. This dashboard lets you connect your bot, manage commands, and control everything from one place. Step 4, get Google AI API key. Now we need an API key for the AI chatbot. Go to Google AI Studio. Click Get API Key. Then click Create API Key. Copy the key that Google gives you. Step 5, create the Discord bot. Next, we need to create the actual Discord bot. Go to the Discord developer portal, click New Application, and give your bot a name. After creating it, go to the Bot tab and click Add Bot. Now scroll down and enable all privileged gateway intents. These intents allow the bot to read messages, detect members, and run commands. Next, go to Auth2 to URL generator, select bot, and give it administrator permissions. Now copy the generated invite link and open it in your browser. Choose your server and invite the bot. Your bot is now added to your server. Step 7, connect the bot. Now go back to the bot section in the developer portal. Click Reset Token. Copy the bot token. Go back to your dashboard and paste the Discord bot token in the token field. Now click Connect Bot. The dashboard will now log into your bot and automatically inject all commands and features. Once connected, your bot will instantly start working. You'll have commands like moderation commands, utility commands, fun commands, and an AI chatbot that can reply to users in your server. You can also monitor bot health, uptime, latency, and logs directly from the dashboard. And that's it. You now have your own fully functional Discord bot with a dashboard and AI features. If you want the source code, download it from my website in the description. And if you want more tools like this, tutorials, and developer projects, make sure to subscribe.